But you tell me down below what you think about this one for you. Not for me, because I know I look good. Hear ye, hear ye. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OMGHerHair. They sent me a unit to try for you guys. Now, before we get into this install, just know your girl laid this down. I got that Oprah money. Y'all see how we looking? Do y'all see how we looking? So if you want to see how I got this unit from this to this, pencil and paper now and keep on watching. Yes, ma'am. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. And all of you, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from OMGHerHair. All the specs in my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This bob is giving texture, it's giving natural edges, and I'm excited about it because I will be getting my hairline together and I will also be doing a wrap on my bob. Now, before I get started, do I need to tint this lace? I don't think I do. It does have a slight brown tint to it. Come on, focus, focus. Dang. There is no lace on the back of this wig, so nothing to cut off, but it does come with that comfort grip across the back, so there's no extra friction on the back, so I like that. OMG. It did send me the elastic band that you can attach to your unit, but I'm not going to use mine just yet. I'm going to use the adjustable straps that's already on the wig. Before I put this unit on again, I need to spray her down with my little hoe bath. This is just something I do in my videos so it can get me through the process and I don't got to take so much time to wash the wig. But for this texture in particular, the hair will swell once you start to blow dry, so you will need to go in and press it out, whether it's your blow dry brush or your hot tools, to get your hair sleek back out, which is what I'm going to do today after I get this unit on my head. First up, dry shampoo and then water. Add that in. It's just a little perfume for the wig, okay? It's not a wash, it's not a cleanse, it's just to get me through this process right here, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and put this unit on my head. Make sure my kitchen is tucked up. I have showed you guys numerous times how to cut your lace off. If you still don't know, I do have a video linked down below. I think I can use these to my advantage, possibly, because they're not too long. So I'm just gonna cut literally right around my ear. I don't need the widow's peak in the front, so I'm going to cut a little bit of this off in the front, but I want to make sure my temples are a little bit further down than the middle of my head. So I'm going to cut it in 3 right at the points that I need to cut the lace off. So I want to make sure I get only that part off. Started it with the scissors, and I'm going to cut the rest with my razor. I want to make sure I don't cut into that hairline at all, so I need to be very careful. There we go. If you feel like you don't have enough control with the razor, go ahead and use your scissors. Before I move on, I need to press out my hairline. I'm going to use my blow dryer on high heat and my bristle brush to press out my edges. I don't want them to be this curly. I need them to be a little bit more relaxed. All right, so here we go with that. And then we got this side. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline. This may curl it back up, but I need to mold the lace. Push all the hairs back. I don't want any hairs laying down on my forehead. Take my elastic band or your melt band, whatever you wanna call it. And it's gonna wrap that around the back of my wig. Now I'm just gonna press through the hair and put some curls in it before I wrap it. Dora. This is a little crooked. Let me just fix this. I'm wrapping the hair anyway, so I guess it doesn't really matter. Pretty sure this is a 13 by 4. Let's measure it. This is the front. Yeah, so it's a 13 by 4. Let's switch these around. Using my Tymo straightener. It's gonna straighten through this hair. Look at that. Perfection. I don't gotta hold it too much because I have it up on the 4 slot, so it's gonna straighten pretty quickly. If you don't have time to do this, then you may not want to get a texture bob. Some of y'all be complaining about that's too much work. Like, girl, if you don't want to do your hair, just say that. There are wigs out there that come pretty much ready to wear, but you gotta pay some coin for those. So understand what you're asking for. Get up under there. Your girl is sweating. Tymo brings the heat. Take my cheap curler from Amazon. Bumping the ends. Bumpity bump bump, bumpity bump bump. Okay. And this one, hold up. A what? Yes. Yes, it's easier to do this off of your head. I just like styling it on my head with y'all because it just makes it feel like it's my hair. So that's why I do it this way. So give KP one and you get one. I don't know why I jumped over to this side without finishing the other side, but here we are. I want to get some of that crinkle out. Let me use my Tymo. If you don't want that in your hair, definitely make sure you straighten that out. Hold it, hold it. Finish up the last little pieces of curling. This has taken me about 11, almost 12 minutes to curl. To make sure all my curls are how I want them to be. I'm gonna keep this on and I'm gonna wrap this hair coming to the front. I'm gonna start wrapping. I more than likely will need to bobby pin this, and that is okay. Wrap, wrap, wrap. Let me get my bobby pins. Got this one. All right, so that's pretty much as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna tie it down as tight as possible. Ooh-wee. Leave that alone for a little bit and then we'll come back, unwrap it, and see how she's sitting. Now, it's been about 30 minutes. Definitely to get a better hold, I could, you know, sleep in this unit or leave it a little bit longer, but I need to get out the house because I'm hungry. So unfortunately with these bobby pins, they're kind of stiff. I asked Kenny to buy me some before he left and he bought me these. I'm gonna do it myself next time. I'm gonna use my wide tooth comb. So it's gonna comb it out. Shake out the rest. All right, looking pretty good. Take off this band and see what the hairline is sitting like. A little stiff. Let me get my edge brush. Brush that out to relax it. I didn't plan on spraying this unit down, but I think I might. It is not necessary. Because I have a lot of forehead real estate, I can definitely, you know, pretty much put this where I want it. Okay, using my 𝐒𝐴𝐵. So I'm gonna spray it right across. Use my brush. Make sure that's brushed back how I want it. Sometimes in order to get the hairline you want, you have to spray it down. Especially for the Kinky Edge units, they need that extra, you know, that extra oomph to give it that natural look. I'm not gonna spray down like the ear tab area just because I just don't like doing that all the time. I am gonna pull out a little bit of hair right here. It doesn't take too much effort because it is pretty short. Same thing over here, just a little bit. Brush it back. This is definitely a longer install than I have done on other units similar to this one, but I wanted to take a little bit more effort in my hairline today, so that's what I'm doing. I need to do a little bit of contour around my hairline. Contour, lace tint spray, whatever you have. Just a little thick right here. Just pulling some of that out. If I want to part it, I can definitely do that. I think that's pretty much it. Do I need to cut this piece off? Ooh! Okay, listen. Listen, I have no words. This came out so much better than expected. I am definitely here for this wig. I would not consider my install to be beginner friendly. If you don't know how to do what I did to kind of make your hairline work for you, this may be a little frustrating, but you can definitely wear this joint out the pack. You can still brush your hairline back using your heat and your bristle brush and still wear this unit out after you press her out, you know, get the hair flat and be good to go. I just wanted to make my hairline as natural as possible, which is why I sprayed mine down and kind of gave it this look. I have no issues with this wig whatsoever. I keep brushing it back because I got to make sure it's flowing the correct way. I don't want it to be brushed down like this. I don't want the swoop look. I want it to be falling back off my hairline, but I gotta make sure my lace is not gonna pop up. Like I told y'all, my sideburn tab is up. Ain't no point in me gluing that down because I always put my glasses on over it. I got very minimal shedding and no tangling. This is a gorgeous unit in my opinion. Nothing crazy at all. It is getting hot outside, so the bobs are, yes, the bobs are swinging, okay? The texture wigs always give me a warm and fuzzy. Like I just love how textured hair looks on me because it's my texture. This matches my texture. You know, if I had hair, then this is what I would want it to look like. I'm just in love with how this is looking on me. I really am. What's the little crusty over there? That looks good. That looks great. Like the girls? Yeah, I'm be doing this. Patty. But you tell me down below what you think about this one for you. Not for me, because I know I look good. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to OMGHerHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon codes for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.